Your nail fungus will disappear rapidly thanks to this natural recipe I'm going to reveal to you today. Be sure to save it carefully to quickly restore beautiful and healthy nails. Start by taking cloves and put them in a blender to get clove powder. Clove treats skin infections caused by fungi in the nails. Put a tablespoon of clove powder in a pan and add 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil helps grow healthy nails and strengthens them. Then, heat the mixture over low heat for 5 minutes and store it in a small jar. Apply this mixture with a cotton swab on your nails and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and dry your nails well. Apply this recipe to your nails twice a day until the fungus disappears completely. You should see improvement in your nails from the first few days. Comment "thank you" to support my work and let me know which recipe you'd like to see next.